In this video, I'll show you how we can do the Polygon command. Now you'll notice I have two circles drawn. They're identical circles. They both have a diameter of 5. I'll start the Polygon command. I'm on the Home ribbon, the Draw panel. Now the Polygon command is buried inside the Rectangle command, so if you don't immediately see it, click on the little down arrow next to the rectangle and choose Polygon. Now I've started the Polygon command. A polygon is any object that is closed off and has 3 or more sides to it. So in this command, it's actually prompting me for a number of sides. I can type 3 or as many sides as we'd like. I think I'm going to go for 3 just to make a triangle here. So I'll type in 3, press enter. Now it wants to specify the center of a polygon, so that might feel a little bit strange that it's asking for the center when I'm trying to draw a triangle. So this is actually the reason why I have these circles drawn here, and I want to show you how it is that AutoCAD is going to draw these polygons. So I will hover right when I get to the edge of that circle. I have my center O-snap turned on, so I'll click into the center. And it gives me 2 different options. This is why I drew these circles. You do not have to draw circles in order to use the Polygon command. I'm just using the circles to explain the different options that we have when we're drawing a polygon. So notice that after I selected the center of the polygon, it's asking me if I want it to be inscribed in a circle or circumscribed about a circle. If I do inscribed in a circle, it's going to take that diameter of 5 and it's going to make the triangle completely inside that circle. So the points of the triangle will touch the circle. I'll show you this option. So we'll go with inscribed. And you can see I could either type in the radius, which would be 2.5 for a diameter of 5, or I could just snap onto the quadrant at the very top here. I could snap to the quadrant on the bottom as well. I do have my ortho turned on right now, so that's locking my mouse into a perfectly horizontal or vertical snap. So I'll click right here. And you can see this is a triangle that's inscribed inside of a circle. So it looks like each point is actually touching the circle itself. I'll try the same command again. We'll still go with 3 sides, 3, enter. It wants the center. Give it the center. This time we're going to say circumscribed about the triangle. And this time I'll click. Again, I'm going to click to the quadrant, or I could type in the radius. Now it does seem strange that I'm trying to draw a circle. I'm trying to draw a triangle, and it's asking me for the center of it, and it's asking me for the radius of it. So that's the reason I have these circles drawn, is just to show you when AutoCAD is doing this, it's really calculating it around a circle, as you can see. So I'll click this bottom quadrant here, and you can see one is inscribed inside that circle, so the 3 points of that triangle are touching the circle. The other one is circumscribed, and so each midpoint of that triangle is tangent to that circle. So now it's almost an optical illusion. Those 2 circles, which are identical, they both have a diameter of 5. They look like they're different sizes now. And that's because we've taken that circle, or we've taken that polygon, that triangle, and we've made one circumscribed and one inscribed inside the circle. And that's the way the Polygon command works. Whether I had chosen 5 sides or 8 sides or 20 sides, the same concept is how the Polygon command would work.